How to make a table in Adobe Illustrator. There are a few ways to make a table in Illustrator. One way is to use the rectangular grid tool. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Select the rectangular grid tool from the toolbar. 2. Click and drag on the artboard to create a rectangular grid. 3. In the rectangular grid tool options dialog box, enter the number of rows and columns you want for your table. 4. Click OK. Another way to make a table in Illustrator is to use the text box tool. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Select the text box tool from the toolbar. 2. Click and drag on the artboard to create a text box. 3. Enter the text you want for your table in the text box. 4. Select the table and use the object table split into grid command to split the table into rows and columns. Once you have created a table, you can use the text tool to add text to the cells. You can also use the cell tools to resize the cells and to add borders and shading to the cells. 2. There are a few things you can check if your table is not making in Illustrator. Asterisk, make sure you have the rectangular grid tool or the text box tool selected. If you don't have either of these tools selected, you won't be able to create a table. Asterisk, make sure you are clicking and dragging on the artboard to create a table. If you click and drag outside of the artboard, you will create a new document instead of a table. Asterisk, make sure you are entering the correct number of rows and columns in the rectangular grid tool dialog box. If you enter too many or too few rows and columns, the table will not appear. Asterisk, make sure you are using the object table split into grid command to split the table into rows and columns. If you don't use this command, the table will not appear. If you have checked all of these things and the table is still not making, you can try restarting Illustrator or your computer. If that doesn't work, you can try contacting Adobe support for help.